Hi, to remove Google account on your Redmi Note 14, just open Settings. From here, scroll down and find Google tab. After that, you will see this information about your account. So tap this arrow near Gmail and now choose to manage accounts on this device. After that, you should pick your Google account by tapping it. And now you need to tap this three dots more and tap Remove Account. Another option how you can do this is by going back in Main Settings. From here, choose Additional Settings. Then find Accounts and Synchronizing tab and do the same thing. So tap your Google account, tap three dots and choose to remove it. Now you need to tap blue button Remove. Here, confirm that you're sure. And now you need to verify that it's you. So you can either use your fingerprint if you set it, or you can draw a pattern, enter PIN code or password, and so on. And after that, it would be immediately removed. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.